What's going on, guys? We're back with another week of trying to get my first payout. It's really been a whole month already, bro. That's crazy. It don't matter how many months it's gonna take, we staying with this. And if you just tapping in, make sure you check out week one right here. Check out the start. And if you just tuning in, I do this every day, daily on my TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So if you want to check me out daily, make sure you check out the link in the description. But let's go ahead and get into it. We got day number 16. Day 16, I'm trying to get my first payout, and we ended up making $0 today. My bias coming in was bullish. I wanted price to sweep London lows right here, and then target these session highs right here, but it didn't do that at all. Price is very just consolidating. I'm not expecting much on a no news Monday. Monday is usually my worst trading day, so I just take caution. We hop on the 1 minute. As you can see, session open right here. Came kind of down, not fully down to take this low though, and then just started going up slowly. Hit this low and started consolidating. No clean setups today, so we didn't take none today. We didn't force none today. So no trades today, no money won, no money lost. So we chilling. Day 16, and we took no trades today. Price didn't give me what I wanted. I wanted price to reach in that fair value gap and respect that equilibrium, but it didn't give me none of that, so we didn't take no trades. Good disciplined day. If we keep on consistent being disciplined just like that, getting only A plus setups, then I promise I'm gonna get that payout soon. But I've been back testing over the weekend, so I'm growing actually very confident in my strategy, in my trading, and in everything. So this week I'm feeling special about this week. Day 17, I'm trying to get my first payout. And here's how I lost $1,000 today. So came in market open. Our bias was bullish. I wanted price to reach these two highs right here. And as you can see, price was low-key respecting this 15-minute fair value gap right here. So on the 1 minute, it inverts the highest time frame bearish fair value gap. Retested it and filled this 1 minute fair value gap and broke structure to the upside, changed state of delivery, and it was this I'm in right here. So, and this was a good trade. I had a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Stop under this low. It was low-key going up a little bit. Volume was looking good too. And then it just shot down. Inverse this fair value gap. Inverse this fair value gap as well. Then it just started consolidating and then going up. But then I was looking for another trade right here, another long up here. I wanted price to change the state right here, give me this, and then retest it, and it did that right here. And it broke structure to the upside right here. Boom, I could have entered and I could have targeted these highs. But I wasn't really confident in this because look at this. I wanted one more break of structure to the upside, just wanted one more change of the state right here. And then I would have entered, but it didn't give me nothing for real until right here. I could have entered right here, but then it was like too late in the day. I'm not gonna even take it. If I'm not confident, I'm not gonna take it. And with that trade, we're $200 away from blowing this account again, and we're still on the eval, bro. But honestly, I feel like I'm doing better though. This is a 1 to 5 risk to reward, and all my trades should be at least a 1 to 5. And I've been back testing over the weekend, and I feel way more confident. So I know I lost this one, but it's like the confidence in the fact, like I know I'm gonna win the next one, or if I don't win the next one, I'm definitely gonna win the next one, you know? So it's just like I feel like I'm gonna be good though, cause $200, I'm probably gonna blow the account most likely. Gonna blow this account, then buy another one, and with that account, my confidence is just at an all-time high right now with trading. So I feel like that account is gonna be the one for sure. Day 17, and we ended up taking a loss. Not a bad loss. I didn't force a trade or none, but I guess price just wanted to retrace lower for some more liquidity before going higher, and I ended up just getting in the move way too early, I guess. And we could have got another move, but price didn't give me what I wanted for real. So I mean, at least we didn't overtrade and we stayed disciplined. That's improvement, even if we lost today. Cause loses. Wait, that's not a word. Wait, is that a word? Loses? I don't really care, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Those are lessons, and I learned from every one of those. So it's all good. We just gotta keep being disciplined, keep being patient, and keep waiting for price to give us what we want. We gonna be good. But let's go on to day 18. Day 18 of trying to get my first payout, and we ended up blowing our account today. I think I've blown a total of 3 or 4 on this during this challenge. During this, I'm on week 4 right now. I think I've blown one every week. I ain't gonna lie. I think. But coming into the day, boom, we's at all time high. So I really had nothing to go off of, like if it was going higher or lower for real. So I just waited, watch price play out, right? Price low key respected this 15-minute fair value gap. And then it respected this 1 minute fair value gap. Closed below. So then I was looking for session lows to get hit. I was waiting for a cool, calm entry so I can just take a little profit because I was only 200 away from my drawdown until I blew that account. So I was just waiting at quick bucks. So boom, went down, went down, went down. Then once it closed below this, I was waiting for a respect of this fair value gap and a close below this. And it gave me that right here, kind of a little late. And then price went up a little bit, just right here, a little bit, and then just started going down to my take profit. So on a regular account, I would have won this, but in this little freaking tick, this little one little wick was more than $200 or something, and then I got stopped out. Then yeah, so if we was on a regular account, boom, with my actual stop loss up here, we would have won this trade, banger little trade. I could have even targeted these lows over here. So yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna buy a new funded account. We're gonna get right. Cause I've been back testing. I ain't gonna lie, I'm confident as ever. And we're gonna get right for sure. So stay tuned. Day 18 and we ended up blowing the account. I'm not really mad at this at all because I only had $200 of drawdown left. And as soon as I entered, price went up a little bit before going all the way down to my take profit. So even if I was on like a regular account or whatever, I would have won that trade. But I only had $200 of drawdown left. So it went up for $200, stopped me out, boom, blew the account, then it went down to take profit. That's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not really mad at it, you know what I'm saying? Just another week, another blown account. But I'm actually feeling very good about this next account. We gonna buy a new account tomorrow and we just gonna get right for sure. Day 19, I'm trying to get my first payout. And we ended up taking no trades today, which means we made $0 today. Yes, my pockets are flat. But coming in, my bias was bullish, so I wanted price to definitely reach this high right here and maybe reach high day. But I wasn't really expecting, I was really expecting price to reach this high, right? And as the price played out, market opened right here and made a 15-minute fair value gap as I marked out right here, right? Then I wanted price to come back into it, reach into it, reject off of this equilibrium and this fair value gap. This would have been an A plus trade, but it didn't give me that. It didn't come all the way down. As you can see, it was making its way down right here around 10, 13, but it didn't come all the way down to right here like I wanted to, and then bounce off. Because this would have been a A plus 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 trade. This the type of trade that I need, bruh. But it didn't give me that, so we didn't force none. We was patient. We was disciplined. We was waiting for the setup all day. And when it didn't give me the setup, just go on with your day, bro. Don't force. That's what I'm doing, bro. Proud of myself, bro. I'm proud. Came a long way, bro. But yeah, tomorrow, let's see if we can make some bread. Day 19, and we ended up buying a new eval account. Price didn't retrace where I wanted to go. I didn't give me a good, clean setup like I wanted to, so we didn't trade. So this is a new account. We gonna be disciplined. We gonna be patient. We gonna run it up. This is the account, bro. I have a feeling. It's like a feeling in the air, and I feel it, and this gonna be the account and get that payout. So week 5 might be the last week until this series is over. So tap in, bro. Day 20, I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading, and we ended up making $900 today. But here's how I did that. a slight little day, you know what I'm saying? But as the market opened, I can see price respecting these fair value caps. So my bias was bearish, right? I've been on the 1 minute, right? Price broke below these lows at 9:30, market open. Then it's respecting these lows. It's wicking above these lows, so that's even more confirmation of me going bearish. And it respected this fair value gap right here. So I'm bearish. So all I needed was a break of structure to the downside. I could have actually entered all the way up here. This would have been a good trade too. I don't know what I was doing, but we ended up entering all the way down here, stop up here, and our targeting previous lower day, but a 1.5 versus the award, and we ended up almost hitting stop loss. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. Then it went down, and I was like, but yeah. So we only up $900 on our new eval account. So we still got 2,000 more dollars to make before we can go on a funded account. But let's run this up. Come on, bro.
Let's go, bro. We got a slight little dub, you know what I'm saying? Good risk to award, was patient, discipline, wait for a good setup, and we got the dub. I told y'all, bro, this is gonna be the count. All I need is 2 more wins till I pass my eval account. So maybe around next week, we should be passing the eval account and diving a little into the funded account. So probably week 6, we should get that payout. If we consistent, if we stay with this how on track that we should get that payout soon enough in a matter of 2 weeks. But let's freaking go. I told you I had a feeling about this account. Let's run it up from here. It's only up from here, bro. But I hope you guys enjoyed me on week 4 trying to get my first payout. And if you're wondering if you can do this, you can. I promise you, you can. Check out this video right here if you want to learn how I learned to trade, so you can learn too. It's possible, bro. That's my plan with this, to show y'all that it's possible. And that's what we gonna do. We're just gonna run it up from here. Make sure you comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Stay tuned, bro, because week 5 gonna be a banger, bro. But peace out.